Hi guys, and welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious apple pie, but it has a little twist because I'm going to add a frangipane layer. And frangipane is a mixture of almond, eggs and sugar. It's really simple, but it's so delicious, and it also takes care of a lot of the moisture coming out of the apple. So, let's begin.
Start by mixing 175 grams of flour, 75 grams of sugar, 40 grams of almond powder, 2 grams of salt, 1 egg and 100 grams of butter. Now knead this into a nice ball of dough.
Once it's a nice ball of dough, wrap it in plastic foil and let it cool down in your fridge for at least 1 hour.
Meanwhile, mix 100 grams of almond powder, 100 grams of sugar, 30 grams of flour, 2 eggs and 40 grams of butter.
Now cut a vanilla pod open and scrape out the seeds. After that, add them to the batter as well with the zest of 1 lemon and then mix it all.
Then put it in a piping bag and set aside for later. Flour your worktop and roll out the dough until it's about 3 mm thick. Now use your baking tin to cut out the bottom and then grease the tin with butter or baking spray. Put the bottom in the tin and then cut the remaining dough to the desired height of the edges. Place the dough to the sides and let the dough rest in your fridge for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, cut the zested lemon in half and juice it. Add half a liter of water and mix this. Then cut 4 apples in 4 parts and cut those parts to the same size. Slice the apple parts on the mandolin to thin slices. Then let them sit in the lemon water for at least 10 minutes and then strain the water. Now pipe the frangipane evenly in the baking tin. And start laying the apple slices to the side. Do this slightly overlapping. Work your way to the middle and when necessary, remove a little bit of the frangipane.
Now bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes until golden brown.
Then take the apple pie out of the oven and glaze it directly with some melted apple jam.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. So like and share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit!